Let's quickly talk about three-wire sensors because it's something I see a lot of people have a hard time diagnosing correctly, but it's really quite simple. Three-wire sensors are extremely common in modern vehicles and include things like pressure sensors for boost measurement and level sensors for ride height measurement. I've seen a lot of people find a code for one of these sensors and just throw a new one in and hope for the best, but diagnosing them correctly only takes a few minutes. So as the name suggests, these sensors will have three terminals and accompanying wires connected to them, and every sensor will have the same three things. The first is a reference voltage, or power supply if you will. This is the voltage that the output of the sensor will be referenced against, as the name suggests. Most modern vehicle reference voltage wires will be 5 volts, but make sure to check the principles of operation for your particular vehicle. Next, we need a good ground. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to go into it, just make sure it's healthy. Last, we have a signal or output wire. This is the data that the sensor is outputting to the control module. The control module is calibrated to read a measurement based on the voltage it reads from this wire. For sensors like level sensors, you should see the voltage change as you raise or lower the vehicle. An important note on the signal wire is it should never be 0 or 5 volts. If you're seeing this on your signal wire, you have a bad sensor, assuming your reference voltage and ground are good. This is by design as a self-diagnosing feature for the vehicle. It knows that if it sees 5 volts or 0 volts, that something is wrong. Some manufacturers supply a range that is within specification, such as 0.3 to 4.7 volts, but this is not always the case. If all three of these check out, the last check to verify is that your signal or output wire is reading the same at the control module, as just because the sensor is outputting a valid reading doesn't mean it's making it to the control module. The voltage may not make it to the control module due to a broken or corroded wire.